I imagine that the generation before us figured out how to make profits from real estate through trial and error. Many were not so lucky to have the desired wealth that real estate can offer. Thanks to the internet, you can now find real estate information and data by just one click or two. Listen to this before you buy any property. 1. How knowledgeable are you about how real estate works? Do your own research. Do not ignore the need to. If you find out you do not have enough knowledge about how real estate works, make use of the internet, get a realtor, and ask the right questions before you make that investment. Lastly, have you asked yourself, why the need to invest? Some people invest with the sole aim of starting a family in a beautiful environment, or for rental purposes where the profits are astronomical. Do you think you have the knowledge and you're ready to make that big decision? We'll be more than happy to help. Call us on 091 2121 2127.